In this video, I'll be assembling 2 beehives from kits, similar to what I did in my last video. These kits have 2 deep boxes each and 1 medium box. So I will be assembling 6 sets of bee boxes, which are called supers, and I'll be putting 10 frames in each one. Starting with some glue, I'm going to put these box pieces together, and later I'll be adding screws to ensure that when the weather gets to these boxes, they don't warp or separate. Wiping away a little squeeze out. I'm using Titebond 3 outdoor wood glue for this project, since these boxes will be outside 100% of the time. The pre-cut dovetails on these boxes only allow the pieces to go together in one configuration, which is nice. Once I put a couple of clamps on, we'll clean out this squeeze out and then get started on some frames. The frames go together with 4 nails, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. That's 1 set of medium frames. Now that the glue has dried, I can pre-drill and put some screws into these boxes, like I mentioned earlier. I'm using 2-inch decking screws to ensure good, deep penetration. And here are the complete kits going together. They'll still need a coat of white paint, and then I'll be taking them down and installing them at a client's house in Rhode Island, which is neither a road nor an island, but I digress. If you'd like to see more videos like this, or if you'd like to see me post the videos of me installing the bees into the hives, leave a comment and let me know. If you haven't liked any of my videos or subscribed to my channel yet, I'd be thrilled to have you do that now. If there's something you'd like to see me do more of in my videos, let me know in a comment. And lastly, if you think what I'm doing here is cool, please share it with your friends so more people can see it. As always, thanks for watching.